With this update, we have a new feature that imports RSS feeds directly into our Google Spreadsheets. So each time our spreadsheet gets a visitor from the bots or any kind of visitor, there will be new content from the RSS feeds inside our spreadsheets. So this will keep our content fresh and dynamic. So let's take a look at how that works in Staxio. So I am going to build a stack, a Google stack. My Google stack is going to be called RSS feeds, and my target URL is going to be Staxio. And I'm going to scroll down to the RSS feeds field, and I'm going to copy a list of 3 RSS feeds that I'm going to add into my spreadsheet. So we have a maximum total of 10 RSS feeds that we can add. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that's the maximum number of feeds that we can do into a Google Stack build. And that is going to be the only option configuration that I'm going to add to my Google Stack, and I'm going to press the build button. Okay, great. My Google Stack is built, and I'm going to open the Google Sheet here, and let's take a look. So Staxio saved my list of feeds here, and I'm going to scroll down, start scrolling down, and I'm going to start to see my list of RSS feeds. Right, so this is the first one. So there is a date, a column with the date of the feed post, the title of the post itself, the link to the post, and a summary of the post. So these are, open up the so these are from ZDNet, and which is, I think, the first feed that I told Staxio to import. Exactly. The second one is going to be Gizmodo. So let's scroll down and find that feed, which starts here and adds 20 posts from the feed. And the next one is the next web. So let's scroll down 20 rows below Gizmodo, and that's where we find the next web, which starts here. So you can see that and it ends here. So we can see that the links and the feeds, the posts from the feeds, and the summary and the information from the feeds is merged with the content of the Google Stack itself, which is here. There's the sheet links and all the other interlinked properties that Staxio creates for the Google Stack. And this is basically what I had to show you guys. This is basically how the RSS import feed feature of Staxio works. So you paste in a list of 10 RSS feeds into this field on the planner and the Stacks Builder, Google Stacks Builder of Staxio, and Staxio will add this into your spreadsheets. See you on the next video.